everybody, it is Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. This is the end of the month recap. We'll go over our stock up item of the month for the month of May. We'll see how many we got, what it is. We'll pick a new item or two for the month of June. And things have changed a little bit. And people have spoken. People do not like the AI generated thumbnails. I thought they were cool at first, but I get it. Like when I'm scrolling through YouTube and I see AI generated thumbnails, I get it. People don't like them. They're kind of cool at first. I'm going back to the normal thumbnails, so there's that. And then, man, we're getting tons and tons and tons of rain. I mean, the rain's just not stopping. It's great for the garden. After we do this, we'll run out there real quick and just take a peek at the garden, just real quick. It's green. It's flourishing. I haven't. There's a couple things starting to come through. A jalapeno, a couple of tomatoes are coming through. So that's cool. May has been a crazy month for me. We've had, man, car repairs, bad ones. You'll see that video is coming out. A trip to the dentist changed everything. You'll see that video is coming out. I gotta recalibrate my life of what I'm eating, what I'm doing, because a trip to the dentist and some blood pressure, a blood pressure monitor changes everything for me. but we'll talk about that too. But okay, so let's go over first the repair fund. Terrible. Exploded. Bad month, okay, for May. Oh, there's 30 bucks in there. I'm surprised there's that in there. I had an expensive car, another expensive car repair. A toothache at the dentist, which, you know, I don't have insurance, so that comes out of pocket. So that whooped me in May, and the video's coming out about that, so you'll see that. But I got 30 bucks in there. I'm not mad at that. I thought there'd be zero in there. I'm just getting whooped this month. You know, we all have those months. We all get whooped. I got whooped in May. So there's that. Pretty much empty. but I'm committed to get back on track. I want to get back to putting 100 bucks in there each month at least if I can, because you see things go wrong, stuff breaks. And sometimes you have months where a lot of things break. All right, so the stock up item for May was sponges. I don't use my dishwasher. Sponges is kind of it's not a necessity, but I do like a sponge because I wash dishes as I go. I can't have a dish in the sink, but you know, long shelf life, it'll expire. I want to get a good little stockpile going and just be done with sponges for many, many years. Not to mention in 5 years how much sponges is going to cost. Everything costs more. So let's go look. We'll go in the pantry and look what I got there, and then we'll talk about what I'm going to stock up for June. I'm going to pick 2 items for June. But let's go to the pantry room and see how many sponges I got. Poor repair fund. Alright, we got a bunch of these. Got 21 packages. There's 8 sponges in a package. If I'm doing it correctly, it's 168 sponges. I mean, that's going to last me the next decade. Because, and, you know, if the sponge isn't too bad, you could throw it in the washing machine. I've done that here and there. Right now, I've been using Temu sponges. A friend of mine placed an order on Temu last year or two, and I say, hey, next time you do a Temu order, let me know. I'll give you the money. Get me a bunch of these crappy little sponges. They seem to work fine. They're more, you use them for a little while and you throw them away. But I want to get a little better quality to last a little longer. It's a silly thing to talk about, but it's what I stocked up on this month. So I'm good with that. See, you can see what I stocked up on. March, bar soap, got a bunch of it. April was Q-tips, got a bunch of it. And then May is sponges. And January and February, we did tuna. both months. And we got a ton of here. We got a ton of tuna. So when you do pick an item, you know, stock up for the month, you do get a good little stockpile going. Imagine after a year, I'll have a good stockpile going of things that are definitely useful. All right, let's go sit down and talk about the next item for June. The June stock up by, now if you watch the dentist video, I had to be more healthy. I had no choice. So I'm picking 2 items for June. So every time I go to the store, I will pick up 1 or 2 of these. And also, I do Spark delivery for Walmart. So every time I do a shopping order for a customer, which sometimes I can do 10, 12, 15 a week, I'll pick up one of these items too. So first we're going to start out with the gallon freezer bags. These are going to go up in price, obviously. And these last a long time. Long shelf life. And I reuse these. So, and I know I can get cheaper ones where you just zip, you know, put the 2 things together. I like the slider, super easy. I'll pay a little more for that little convenience of the slider thing. I like that a lot better. Anyway, who cares? But so, and I reuse these bags. So I'm not gonna go crazy with these, but I'm gonna buy some and get a little stockpile going just to put away, and I'll have them for 5, 10 years, whatever. But because I have a ton I still have that I just rewash. Even if I put chicken there, I rewash it with hot soapy water, let it dry out, and use it again. I've done it for decades. So that's for June. Also, long shelf life, honey. I can't have sugar anymore, so if I eat some oatmeal, I want to put a little honey on there. This is actually $4.59 at my Walmart. This is about $3 at my Walmart, $2.97 at my Walmart. I think it's 12 ounce. Yeah, 12 off 100% honey. So $3, not terrible. I'm gonna grab a, you know, bunch of these, bunch of those, and then we'll let our stockpile grow. All right, so we talked about AI thumbnails out. What else? Repair fund out. All right, because this video is gonna be very short. Oh, that's another thing. I'm too long-winded. Okay, I'm gonna make these videos shorter. I promise you. I promise you, they're gonna be shorter. All right, this is gonna be a short video, so let's run out. Just take a quick peek at the garden for those of you who are interested. Let's check it out, and then let me know what you guys are stocking up on. What you're gonna stock up for in the month of June. Let me know what you think. Be honest about the AI thumbnails. Let me know how bad you hate those in the comments, because I get it. You ever just do something for a while, and then when it dawns on you, you think, oh yeah, those are sucky. Like I don't. And I get it. When I watch a YouTube video, look, I'm talking too long again. But when I watch a YouTube video and they have an AI announcer, I don't like that either. I don't like it. So yeah. All right, let's go take a quick garden tour. Just a quick run through, see how things are going out there, and then thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the comments. We'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Let's go to the garden and check it out real quick. Okay, let's step outside real quick in between rains, because we've been getting some rain. Oh, it's raining already. Oh, it's raining harder than I thought. I wanted to check the garden out real quick. I guess I won't melt. I mean, it's flourishing. Some better than others. Just a quick. Okay, this was the one something got the tomato. This is the one that was in a cup of water because it broke off. Those are pumpkins there. Okay, here we go. Couple other ones starting here. All right, that's just a quick tour there. Man, I went through all that work to save that tomato plant, and somebody got the tomato off it. At least it didn't go to waste. At least somebody's eating it. All right, thank you so much. I hope your gardens are doing good. This rain just doesn't stop. It's supposed to rain the rest of the day and maybe some tomorrow too.